Assuming that you're searching for torrential slide cost expectations, estimate for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of torrential slide will in every practical sense go from here on out, or so they thought. We will dissect the by and large past costs of torrential slide and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activity. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you really want to take this forecast and each and every expectation with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master examiners. Torrential slide past value examination in an unobtrusive manner. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of torrential slide is $15.79 and AVAX is at present position number 17 in every practical sense. Whole crypto-biological system. The dissemination supply of torrential slide is 325,591,971 with a market cap of $5,139,697,605. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto explicitly has been diminished by 0.43% in its extremely current worth. Assuming we think about the ongoing business sector cap of the AVAX with yesterday, you can see that the market cap generally is likewise down. From essentially most recent 7 days, the AVAX fundamentally was in commonly great vertical pattern and expanded by 8.48%. Torrential slide has shown areas of strength for extremely of potential recently, and this could be in every practical sense. Great chance to dive right in and contribute. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of a VAX really diminished by 22.007%, disposing of an astounding typical amount of $4.45 from its ongoing worth and in every practical sense, significant way. This unexpected down implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it very well may be in every practical sense great purchase, a valuable open door for fast venture. The 90 days cost change is around 17.71% and the cost course from a base typical cost of $12.93 to most extreme normal cost of $13.50 in the beyond 90 day. In most recent 4 months, torrential slide has shown a developing pattern, or so they really thought. Hence, we feel that comparable pieces of the market essentially were very famous at that period, as indicated by particularly the most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of torrential slide is expanded from 4 months. The exchanging volume comprises an imperative job in its value, which is very huge. The coin fundamentally is up by 22.90%, with the greatest typical cost of the coin was around $15.41 and the sort of least typical value of was around $13.56 beyond 4 months. Amazingly, we foresee future torrential slide cost expectations. A VAX estimate by applying truly profound kind of man-made brainpower helps specialized examination on the past value information of torrential slide. We give our all to in a real sense gather really greatest verifiable information for the AVAX coin, which incorporate numerous boundaries like past value, torrential slide market cap, torrential slide volume, and hardly any more in an unpretentious manner. On the off chance that you are looking to explicitly put resources into computerized digital forms of money and need great profit from your ventures, make a point to peruse our expectation. Torrential slide value expectation 2023. The cost of one torrential slide is supposed to reach at any rate level of $20.03 in 2023. The AVAX cost can arrive at a genuinely most extreme degree of $23.23, with the typical cost of $20.79 all through 2023. Torrential slide value forecast 2024. The cost of torrential slide is anticipated to reach at least worth of $30.06 in 2024. The torrential slide cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $34.28, with the typical exchanging cost of $31.10 all through 2024. AVAX value conjecture for 2025 according to the estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2025, the cost of torrential slide is anticipated to essentially reach at least degree of $44.51. The AVAX cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $51.10, with the genuinely normal exchanging cost of $46.07. Torrential slide value expectation 2026. Torrential slide cost explicitly is figured to arrive at the most minimal conceivable degree of $65.09 in 2026, which especially is genuinely critical. According to our discoveries, the AVAX cost could fundamentally arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $77.35, with the typical gauge cost of $66.94. Torrential slide value expectation 2027 as per our profound specialized examination on past value information of a VAX. In 2027, the cost of torrential slide is estimated to be at around a base worth of $92.04. The torrential slide value worth can arrive at a limit of $109.36, with the typical exchanging worth of $95.38 in USD, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Torrential slide value expectation 2028 is per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Avax. In 2028, the cost of torrential slide is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $137.90, in spite of mainstream thinking. The Avax cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $162.70, with the typical exchanging cost of $142.67. Torrential slide value expectation 2029 according to the estimate and specialized examination. In 2029, the cost of torrential slide for the most part is supposed to reach at any rate value worth of $197.61. The Avax cost can arrive at an extremely greatest value worth of $241.75, with the typical worth of $203.32 in an unobtrusive manner, which is very huge. Torrential slide value gauge 2030. The cost of torrential slide is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $296.93 in 2030. The torrential slide cost can generally arrive at an, in every practical sense, greatest degree of $352.96, with the typical cost of $307.10 all through 2030. In a significant manner, torrential slide value expectation 2031. The cost of torrential slide by and large is generally anticipated to reach at least worth of $416.90 in 2031. The torrential slide cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $510.91, with the typical exchanging cost of $429.19 all through 2031, or so they thought, which is genuinely huge. Torrential slide value expectation 2032. Torrential slide cost is gauged to for the most part arrive at a least conceivable degree of $594.41 in 2032. According to our discoveries, the Avax cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $711.35, with the sort of typical estimate cost of $611.58 in an unobtrusive manner. What will be the Avax most noteworthy gauge cost for 2023? The Avax cost is supposed to basically arrive at a most extreme degree of $23.23 toward the finish of 2023, or so they thought. What amount really does torrential slide cost in 2024? The cost of torrential slide will increment as certainly more financial backers engage in the task. In year 2024, torrential slide will be exceptionally worth about a normal cost of $31.10 in an unpretentious manner. Is torrential slide a wise speculation? Torrential slide's esteem is supposed to especially keep on growing, as deficiency will in general energize cost rise. Kindly note, there is a gamble to any venture, which is very critical. Just for the most part, put resources into what you can achieve prior to reaching any resolutions and lead the by and large greatest exploration conceivable. What amount will torrential slide be truly worth in 5 years? In 5 years, torrential slide